Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the JOT three-ring binder. Yeah. Now, I've used these, God, for, oh man, many years. I went through college with these. I use them at my job now. I even use them at home. I have like probably about 50 of these, because I'm always organizing and I'm always, storing things, and, like I'll have things that I want to just keep organized and all that, So, no. And yeah, I just try to constantly keep things together, in a kind of a organized fashion. And I need binders and books, things like that to keep things together. And these kind of binders really do it well for me. So what it is, this coating, this covering on the outside is kind of flimsy, but it is what it is. It does what it's supposed to do as far as covering the paperwork that's inside. See, so you would have this, and it's 3-ring, and these rings here are very sturdy, very strong. They'll hold your paperwork, and I'm glad that, because I have had issues with rings that do this when you close them, and it makes it hard for you to turn the pages. I haven't had that problem with these kind of binders, but other binders I have, and that's one of the reasons I stick with the JOT ones, because I haven't had that issue. I hate that when that happens with the binders. It's really, really annoying. It just makes, like, especially if you have a lot of paperwork inside and you're trying to flip through your pages and it gets caught on that one ring that is doing this instead of this. It's like that, and oh man, it's just a pain, total pain. And you try to fix it and bend it like it's supposed to be, but sometimes that's, a lot of times you might even break it trying to do that, but yeah, other than that, it comes a lot of different colors. Just about every color you can think of, except I have not seen a white one or a black one, which is strange. But I've seen green, I've seen red, I've seen blue. I think I've seen a yellow and a purple, but I'm not sure if I remember correctly. I'm not sure. But mostly, when I buy them, I get the oranges and the blue ones. For some reason, I have a preference for those two colors. So yeah, they're really good. And all through college, like I said, I used these to organize my papers, and I would put stickers on the front, or I would just write with a Sharpie marker on the front what this one was going to be used for. And the teacher that was, in charge of that class or whatever, yeah, I literally had, in my college days, not so much now, but in my college days, a library full of packed JOT binders that really was good. It really, really organized my paperwork very well. I even had one for the homework that I would get back, and I would keep it together to see if my grades were having a trend of improving or getting worse or whatever, so it was nice having the organization using these kind of binders, and they're pretty sturdy. I haven't had one break as far as these pins coming out or anything like that. They withstand heat. I used to keep them in my car in the summertime sometimes, and I didn't have an issue. It could get really hot where I live, and I never had an issue with them warping or, anything like that. Worked very well, and like I said, I had a lot of them. Don't have a whole lot of downside to these. They hold 8.5 by 11 paper size, and that's the standard. It's really good. I like them a lot. All right, well, we've been talking about the JOT 3-ring binders. Okay, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.